write a book about the way you walk and whisper and look. I could write a preface on how we met, so the world would never forget. And the secrets of the plot is just to tell them that I love you a lot.